Alright, Andy, so I figured I'd show you some stuff of the new house too. Not everything's unpacked in my Ghostbuster room yet, but got all my figures up on the shelves. Looking pretty good. It's getting there. Got a lot of stuff unpacked. Or not packed, or not unpacked yet. Got my Gibson, my amp, and what you've been waiting for. This is my electronics setup area. Got the cage lights for us down there. Got all your speaker parts down there. The stuff I'm using up here is actually my amp and my speakers. I didn't want to mess any of your stuff up testing out this stuff, so yours is still in those 3 boxes right there. 1, 2, 3. Those are my extra speakers down the bottom. So I'm using the other 2 from each of those for my Proton pack and all the little electronic stuff. So, all right, so this is what you've been waiting for. So we got your Crick sound chip. Looks nice and clean. Flip it over just to show you. Nice and easy. Got the little amp just to show you how big it is. About that. Oh, you can't forget this. Grandparents took a picture of that when they were down at Universal. And you got your, that's the I think 3.5 or 4 inch speaker, and that's the 6. Alright, so let's give this baby a go. Volume's turned up almost all the way, so if it crackles on the video, it's because it's too loud, but usually my phone adjusts pretty good for it. Just getting these fucking lead wires to go. So he's got that playing on a loop for us, and he's got this one. Hey, I'm gonna set this up because I can't do 2 hands. That's the sound with Slimer and the computers. You can kind of hear Slimer in the back. Let's see. We'll do that one more time close to the speakers for you. Here's the really loud one that hurts my ears when I turn this thing up all the way. I think that's it for sounds. I'm checking out the other leads just to make sure. Oh, and here's the sound, the computer sounds without Slimer in it. So there you have it. Now the only difference I saw is that for some reason, I think because the sound chip is a mono output and this is a stereo input, I'm going to have to try to see if that RCA cable will work for it to split the channels. Where is it? I know it's somewhere, but you know what I'm talking about. So as of right now, I have to hook them both up through the same speaker. I have 2 speakers hooked up through these 2 ports. I tried hooking both of them up to this one. For some reason it's not working, so whenever it's, I think it's when it's a mono, it's only playing through the right. So I'm going to play around with some stuff over the next week and try to get this to stereo so we can just do 1 speaker per channel, but either way it's still wicked, wicked loud. So let me know what you think, man.